Project number 1076 is a custom kitchen bar built 62 inches long, 32 inches deep, and 36.5 inches high. The design combines a warm golden oak top with a weathered cabinet finish, black hardware, one sliding center door, and two hinged outer doors. Inside, adjustable shelving provides practical storage, while the open overhang creates room for comfortable seating. This newest first photo sequence follows the completed piece back through staining, door and cabinet assembly, panel work, and the first cuts. Thanks for watching. Bechtold Woodworks builds custom furniture for your space.